If you're watching this video, chances are you're tired of struggling financially. You're tired of depending on one income. Tired of seeing other people win online while you're still trying to figure things out. And I want you to know something important. You're not late, you're not stupid, and you're not behind. You were just never taught how this world actually works. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete beginner's guide to trading, step by step, from absolute zero, explained simply, clearly, and practically. No complicated words, no fake hype, no get-rich-quick lies. Just real education, real structure, and a real roadmap. If you stay until the end of this video, you will understand how trading works, how money flows in the market, how beginners lose, how professionals win, and how you can build real skills, not gambling habits. This is not a shortcut. This is not a hack. This is a skill, and skills change lives. Let me tell you the truth that most YouTubers won't tell you. Trading is not easy money. Trading is not fast money. Trading is not guaranteed money. Trading is a business. And just like any business, if you don't learn the rules, the system, and the psychology, you lose. Most people don't fail because trading doesn't work. They fail because they chase signals. They follow random tips. They trade emotionally. They overtrade. They treat trading like gambling. The market doesn't pay emotions. The market pays discipline. The market pays structure. The market pays patience. What trading really is? Trading is simply the exchange of value. Someone is buying, someone is selling. Price moves because of supply and demand, nothing else. Not indicators, not news, not YouTubers, just money flow. Big institutions move markets. Banks move markets. Funds move markets. Retail traders react to markets. Our job is not to predict. Our job is to align with the flow of money. You don't fight the market, you follow it. Market structure, core concept. Every market moves in 3 simple phases. Uptrend, downtrend range, that's it. No magic, no mystery. Higher highs and higher lows equals uptrend. Lower highs and lower lows equals downtrend. Sideways equals range. Beginners lose because they trade against structure. Professionals win because they trade with structure. If the market is going up, you look for buys. If the market is going down, you look for sells. Simple logic. Trading is not complex. People make it complex. Entries, risk, and capital protection. Your number one job is not profit. Your number one job is protection. Protect your capital. Protect your mind. Protect your discipline. Because if you lose your capital, the game ends. Risk management is everything. One bad trade should never destroy your account. Professionals think in probabilities, not profits. Not, how much can I make? But, how much can I lose safely? Survival first, growth second. This is how real traders think. Psychology of trading is 80% psychology. Fear, greed, ego, impatience. These destroy more accounts than bad strategies ever will. Most people don't lose because of charts. They lose because of emotions. Overtrading, revenge trading, FOMO trading. Discipline is the real edge. Calm mind equals clear decisions. Emotional mind equals bad decisions. Simple beginner roadmap. Detailed script for YouTube. Step 1. Learn the basics. Before touching any money, you must understand what trading is, how markets work, what buy and sell means, what profit and loss means, how price moves, supply and demand. First step is learning the basics, not strategies, not signals, not shortcuts, just understanding how trading works. If you don't understand the rules of the game, you will always lose the game. Trading is not guessing. It's understanding movement. Step 2. Understand charts. Learn to read price charts, candlesticks, trend direction, support and resistance, market structure.
Charts are the language of the market. If you can't read charts, you're blind in the market. You don't need 100 indicators. You just need to understand price movement. Step 3. Learn market direction. Trend. Always trade with the trend. Uptrend to buy. Downtrend to sell. Sideways to wait. Trend is your biggest friend. Don't fight the market. Flow with it. The market is always bigger than you. Step 4. Learn risk management. This is the most important skill. Never risk big money. Small losses are okay. Big losses destroy accounts. Your job is not profit. Your job is survival. Because if your capital is alive, you can always trade again. Step 5. Build psychology, control emotions. Fear, greed, FOMO. Revenge trading strategy doesn't fail accounts. Emotions do. Discipline is the real strategy. Step 6. Practice on demo account trade with fake money. First, learn execution. Learn patience. Learn patience. Learn discipline. Learn mistakes safely. You don't learn swimming in
deep water. You learn in safe water first. Demo is your training ground. Step 7. Start with small capital. When real money starts, small amount only. Focus on learning, not earning. Focus on process, not profit. Real trading starts when emotions start. That's why small capital is important. Learn to control emotions before increasing money. Step 8. Be consistent daily habits. Learn daily, practice daily, improve daily. Journal daily. Consistency builds skill. Skill builds confidence. Confidence builds results. Final beginner formula. Learn to practice to discipline, to consistency, to growth. Not shortcut to hype, to emotion, to loss. To quit closing line. Trading is not about being fast. It's about being right. It's not about excitement. It's about discipline. Learn slowly. Build correctly. Grow safely. And your results will come. Trading can change your life, not overnight, but with discipline and patience. You don't need to be lucky. You don't need to be genius. You just need education, discipline, consistency, patience. If you treat trading like gambling, you will lose. If you treat trading like a skill, you can grow. If this video helped you understand trading, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment START if you're beginning your trading journey. This is not hype. This is education. This is skill building.